Doctors spend years learning about drugs, but some of the most powerful medicine is already in your kitchen. Foods can fight inflammation, lower blood pressure, and boost your brain, often with fewer side effects than pills. This isn't about ditching your doctor, it's about understanding how food can empower your health. We'll break down the science behind these miracle foods and show you how they work at the cellular level. Get ready to see your grocery list in a whole new light. Let's unlock the secrets of food as medicine and transform your well-being from the inside out. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been treasured for centuries in kitchens and healing traditions around the world. But what makes turmeric truly remarkable isn't just its vibrant color or earthy flavor. It's the presence of a powerful compound called curcumin, which acts as turmeric's secret weapon against inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent force that drives many of today's most serious diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and even some cancers. It's not just about the occasional ache or pain. This is the kind of inflammation that lingers in the body, quietly damaging tissues and organs over time. When pain strikes, most people instinctively reach for over-the-counter painkillers or prescription medications. While these drugs can provide quick relief, they often come with a long list of potential side effects, ranging from stomach issues to increased risk of heart problems and even dependency with long-term use. Curcumin, on the other hand, works differently. It targets multiple steps in the body's inflammatory pathway, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and boost your body's own natural antioxidant defenses. This means it doesn't just mask the pain, it helps address the root cause of inflammation. In fact, a landmark clinical study found that curcumin actually outperformed a commonly prescribed arthritis drug in reducing joint pain and swelling, without causing any of the side effects typically associated with pharmaceuticals. Participants reported improved mobility and a better quality of life. How does it work? Curcumin blocks a molecule called NF-kappa B, often referred to as the master switch of inflammation. By shutting down this key trigger, curcumin helps stop the inflammatory process at its very source, rather than just treating the symptoms. But there's a catch. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. That's where black pepper comes in. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can boost curcumin absorption by an astonishing 2,000%. Just a pinch of black pepper with your turmeric can make all the difference. This is a perfect example of food synergy in action, where two ingredients work together to unlock even greater health benefits. Whether you're adding turmeric and black pepper to soups, stews, or smoothies, you're maximizing their anti-inflammatory power. While painkillers might offer a quick fix, turmeric works with your body to provide long-term relief and support. It's a gentle, natural approach that helps your body heal from within, rather than simply covering up the pain. Of course, turmeric isn't a miracle cure for every ache or headache, but when it comes to chronic inflammation, the kind that underlies so many modern health problems, turmeric is a powerful ally you want on your side. The best part? Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation at the source, without the need for a prescription and without the risk of harmful side effects. It's a safe, natural option that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, to unlock turmeric's full potential, always add a sprinkle of black pepper. This simple step can dramatically increase the benefits you receive from this golden spice. This isn't just ancient wisdom or folk tradition. Modern science backs up what cultures have known for generations. Researchers around the world are continuing to uncover new ways turmeric and curcumin can support our health. So, if you're looking to upgrade your spice rack, make sure turmeric takes center stage. It's more than just a seasoning. It's a true game changer for your health. When it comes to fighting inflammation, no pill can match the natural power of this golden root. Turmeric offers a holistic approach that supports your body on multiple levels. Make turmeric a staple in your kitchen. Add it to your favorite dishes, blend it into smoothies, or brew it as a soothing tea. The possibilities are endless, and your body will reap the rewards. Embrace the power of turmeric, and your body will thank you with better health, less pain, and a brighter, more vibrant life. Next up, garlic, a heart health superstar. High blood pressure is a silent killer, and while meds help, they often bring side effects. Garlic's power comes from allicin, formed when you crush or chop it. Allicin boosts nitric oxide, relaxing and widening blood vessels for smoother blood flow. Studies show garlic supplements can lower blood pressure as effectively as standard medications. Plus, garlic reduces artery stiffness and prevents dangerous clots. It's a multi-pronged approach, relaxing vessels, improving flow, and fighting clotting. Unlike a single pill, garlic works on several fronts. Add it to your meals for a delicious, natural way to protect your heart. Vampires hate it, but your cardiovascular system loves it. Garlic slashes blood pressure like a ninja, proven by science. No prescription needed. Make garlic a daily habit. Your heart will thank you. Food can be powerful medicine. Time for something sweet, berries. These tiny, colorful fruits are more than just a treat for your taste buds. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with benefits that go far beyond their delicious flavor. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're antioxidant powerhouses. Each type of berry brings its own unique blend of nutrients, but all share one thing in common: the ability to protect and rejuvenate your body from the inside out. Free radicals damage your cells and speed up aging, but berries fight back with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their vibrant color. These natural compounds act as a shield, neutralizing harmful molecules before they can cause harm. The more vibrant the berry, the more anthocyanins it contains, making them a natural defense system you can eat. These antioxidants work together with fiber, vitamins, and minerals for a powerful effect. Nature's entourage effect. It's not just one nutrient doing the heavy lifting, it's the synergy of all these elements working together that makes berries so effective. Fiber helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full, while vitamins like C and K support your immune system and bone health. Studies show berry antioxidants cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting your brain and delaying cognitive aging. This means that the benefits of berries aren't just skin deep, they reach your most vital organ, helping to keep your mind sharp and your memory strong as you age. Harvard research found women who ate the most berries delayed brain aging by up to 2.5 years. Imagine gaining extra years of mental clarity and focus simply by enjoying a bowl of berries a few times a week. It's a small habit with a big payoff. Berries also help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Unlike many sweet treats, berries have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar. Their natural compounds help calm inflammation throughout the body, supporting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. A pill gives you one compound. A handful of berries gives you a symphony of nutrients. When you eat berries, you're not just getting vitamins, you're getting fiber, water, antioxidants, and hundreds of plant compounds that work together in ways science is still discovering. Don't settle for a multivitamin when you can have the real thing. Supplements can't replicate the complexity and balance of nutrients found in whole foods. Your body recognizes and uses the nutrients from berries more efficiently than anything made in a lab. Berries are nature's perfect defense capsules. Each bite is like a tiny shield, protecting your cells from damage, supporting your immune system, and helping you feel your best every day. Add them to your breakfast or snack for a daily health boost. Toss them on your cereal, blend them into smoothies, or just enjoy them by the handful. However you eat them, you're giving your body a gift with every bite. Protect your cells, your brain, and your future. Making berries a regular part of your diet is one of the simplest, most delicious ways to invest in your long-term health and well-being. The darker the berry, the stronger the benefits. Deeply colored berries like blackberries and blueberries are especially rich in antioxidants, so don't be afraid to go for the boldest hues you can find. Eat the rainbow. Your body will thank you. Each color represents a different set of nutrients and health benefits, so mix it up and enjoy a variety of berries for the broadest protection. Food beats supplements every time. When you choose real, whole berries, you're choosing a package of nutrition that no pill can match. Make berries a daily habit. Whether it's breakfast, a snack, or dessert, let berries be your go-to choice for a healthier, happier you, today and for years to come. Let's talk gut health. Your microbiome is your hidden superpower. Deep inside your digestive system, trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes are working around the clock to keep you healthy, energized, and balanced. Most people don't realize just how much their gut impacts their overall well-being, from digestion to mood, immunity, and even brain function. Pills for gut issues only mask symptoms, but fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut restore balance from within. While medications can offer temporary relief, they rarely address the root cause of gut imbalances. Fermented foods, on the other hand, work with your body's natural processes, helping to rebuild and strengthen your gut ecosystem over time. These foods are packed with probiotics, live bacteria that crowd out the bad guys and help your gut thrive. Each spoonful delivers millions of beneficial microbes that set up shop in your digestive tract, supporting healthy digestion and crowding out harmful bacteria that can cause bloating, discomfort, and illness. Think of your gut as a garden. Pills trim weeds, but fermented foods plant flowers. Just as a gardener nurtures soil to grow vibrant plants, you can nurture your gut by feeding it the right foods. Fermented foods don't just remove what's harmful, they help your gut flourish with diversity and resilience. Probiotics from food are more diverse than any supplement. Each type of fermented food brings its own unique strains of bacteria, creating a rich and varied microbiome that's hard to replicate with a single pill. This diversity is key to a strong, adaptable gut. They help produce essential vitamins and break down fiber into anti-inflammatory compounds. When you eat fermented foods alongside fiber-rich vegetables, you're giving your gut bacteria the fuel they need to create short-chain fatty acids, which soothe inflammation and support your immune system. A healthy gut boosts immunity. 70% of your immune cells live there. By nurturing your microbiome, you're strengthening your body's first line of defense against illness, infections, and even allergies. It's like building a fortress from the inside out. Fermented foods heal, not just patch, your gut. Over time, they can help repair the gut lining, reduce symptoms of digestive distress, and even improve your mood and energy levels. The transformation can be remarkable. Many people notice less bloating, more regularity, and a lighter, happier feeling overall. Kimchi, yogurt, and sauerkraut feed your good bacteria and strengthen your gut lining. These foods act as both a shield and a fertilizer, protecting your gut from harm while encouraging healthy growth. Pills can't compete with this natural fix. While supplements have their place, nothing matches the power of real living foods to transform your gut health, and by extension, your whole body. Add a serving of fermented food to your daily routine. It's easy. Top your breakfast with yogurt, add kimchi to your lunch, or enjoy sauerkraut with dinner. Small, consistent changes make a big difference over time. Your digestion, immunity, and mood will improve. People often report feeling more energetic, less stressed, and more resilient to illness after making fermented foods a regular part of their diet. Build a resilient microbiome. Start with your plate. Every meal is a chance to support your gut and invest in your long-term health. Food is the foundation of gut health. By choosing whole, fermented foods, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal, thrive, and protect itself from the inside out. Heal from the inside out. Start today, and let your gut be your guide to a healthier, happier you. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, chard, are true health heroes. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds that fight disease before it starts. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamin K, A, folate, and natural nitrates that relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Their antioxidants protect your eyes and your body from oxidative stress. The fiber in greens keeps you regular and feeds your good gut bacteria. Studies show eating more greens lowers your risk of diabetes and improves insulin sensitivity. This is prevention, not just management. Don't wait for disease. Build resilience with a daily serving of greens. They're proactive medicine, not just a side dish. Popeye was onto something. Real strength is internal. Leafy greens lower chronic disease risk, no prescription required. Add them to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Your body will thank you for every bite. Greens are a daily must for long-term health. Food is your best defense. Let's talk cholesterol. Nuts are your secret weapon. Statins lower cholesterol but can cause side effects. Nuts like almonds and walnuts lower bad LDL, raise good HDL, and protect your heart. They're rich in healthy fats, omega-3s, plant sterols, and fiber, all working together to block cholesterol absorption and remove it from your body. Large studies show nuts reduce the risk of major heart events. A handful a day is all it takes. Nuts work differently than drugs, supporting your whole cardiovascular system, not just the numbers. Delicious, convenient, and powerful. Forget cholesterol meds. Grab a handful of nuts. Your arteries will thank you. Make nuts a daily habit for heart health. Food can be your best medicine. Snack smart, live longer, go nuts for your heart. Saving the best for last, dark chocolate. Not the sugary kind, but 70% cacao or higher. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonols that boost brain blood flow and protect your brain cells. It can improve memory, focus, and even your mood. Compounds in dark chocolate trigger endorphins and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. Studies show people who eat dark chocolate have lower rates of depression. It's a treat that treats you back, no prescription needed. Just a small square delivers big benefits. Enjoy the rich taste and the brain boost. Food can be delicious medicine. Choose quality dark chocolate for the best results. Indulge wisely. Your brain will thank you. Chocolate lovers, rejoice. There you have it. 7 foods that outperform pills in safety and synergy. Food isn't just fuel, it's medicine that works systemically, nourishing and protecting your body. Pills target symptoms, but these foods build resilience from the inside out. Every meal is a chance to fight disease or fuel it. Add these foods to your diet and invest in a longer, healthier life. The power to transform your health is on your plate. Still think pills are the answer? Drop your favorite food in the comments. Like and subscribe for more health hacks your doctor won't tell you.